Good morning, Badgers. Today is September 10th, 2019. I'm Ben.
And I'm Aiden. We're coming to you from the Badger Newsroom. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Stand, salute, and pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please pause for a moment of silence.
Happy Trivia Tuesday, Badgers.
If you have an answer, raise your hand and your teacher will call on you.
There may be a winner in each class. The winning answer will receive a red ticket.
Sounds good to me. What's the question?
Who is Shrek's wife?
Please pause this newscast and wait for your teacher to call on you for the correct answer.
Shrek is married to Princess Fiona.
Did you know that you can find math everywhere?
Math is in every part of our everyday lives. Most times we don't even realize it.
Here's Miss Nance to tell us how we use math in the kitchen.
Guys, it's Mrs. Nance here, and y'all know I love to cook and I love to eat. Now last week you guys got to see how you could have a recipe, but I'm going to make brownies and I need to double the recipe. So I'm going to have to use some math to figure out how much water, how much oil, and how many eggs I need to make my recipe twice as good. One recipe calls for a quarter cup of water, a quarter cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. So a quarter cup is really the same thing as 1/4 of a cup. So if I need to double that, I'll need 1/4 plus 1/4, which equals 2/4. And let's see, if I simplify that, that would be a 1/2 cup of water. So I've got my 1/2 cup right here. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. And since I also need a quarter cup of vegetable oil for one recipe, I'm going to double that. And I'm going to put 2/4 or 2/4 cups of oil, which is a 1/2 cup in here. And pretty easy to double the eggs, so I just need 1 egg for each recipe. 1, 2, and let's go ahead and mix it up some. One more thing I have to do before I can bake my brownies, and that is related to temperature. So I'm going to need to go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Do I need to double the temperature if I'm doubling the recipe? What do y'all think? Oh, it actually tells me keep the temperature the same if I'm doubling it. So I'm going to leave it at 325 degrees. I'm going to let that heat up, and while that's heating up, I'm going to pour my batter into my pan. Ooh, this looks so good. I can eat it like it is. My oven's all ready, so I'm going to put the brownies in there for 45 minutes. And then I'll check with you later. Okay, so it looks like the timer is going off. And I have a giant batch of brownies.
Thanks, Mrs.
Nance.
Mrs.
Nance.
Thanks, Mrs. Nance.
What day is it?
Now over to Lasan and Emma for the weather and lunch choices.
Hello, Badgers. I'm Lasan. The playground weather today will be sunny with a high of 91 degrees.
This morning, our cafeteria ladies are busy cooking up chicken sliders, cheese or pizza, PB&J, pizza munchable, or veggie salad. This is all we have for you today, September 10th, 2019.
This has been Ben.
And Aiden.
And Emma.
And Iman. And Lasan.
And Marvin.